Today we're going to do a professional duct cleaning, and we're going to take all the dust out of this house and all in the ducts, everything from the day it was built. Let me show you how dirty it is in here. You actually see here I wipe my fingers right across there on this takeoff. You can see just the amount of dust that has actually accumulated, and this being in the supply is actually what the customers is actually breathing inside the house. We'll make sure our vacuum is cleaned out, and we're going to show you guys before we begin of actually what it looks like now, and then we'll show you after when we get done of how dirty the vacuum will be. If you take a look inside here, you see this, the first filter as you see is the catch bag, and this catches all the heavy debris that will get down through the ductwork. And then on the side here, as I open this up, our next stage is the HEPA filter. See all nice and green that is. Now we're ready to get started on the main trunk line of the house for all the supply resin. We're going to start popping holes inside so we can get back inside the ductwork and actually clean it from down below. Okay, so now what we're doing is putting the hose back up in there and reversing all the pipes. So now what you're seeing inside there is getting all the dirt and debris that's coming back. As you can see, there's quite a bit of debris that just comes out just this one individual pipe. And what we're doing on the inside is moving the nozzle in a zigzag fashion, so it's going back and forth, bringing all the debris on back to the vacuum, just slowly working it. And we're going to go ahead and hook up our brush. Now you can see inside that we're actually going to have the brush actually spinning and brushing down the walls inside. Now, even though that we brushed it all down, and we've got a lot of that fine dust went back, you'd be still amazed at how much dust is still inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the nozzle and reverse and sweep all that real light dust over on top of my head, get it over up back into the vacuum. So that stuff, when we turn the system back on, none of that stuff is blowing back up inside the house. And you can take a look-see down inside and see how it's no longer green whatsoever. So even down in each individual socket, this is all the breathable dust that we did all the whipping, all the brushing, all the reversing, all trapped inside the vacuum.